And what we're going to do today is we're going to take all of this information and we're going to put it onto a circle graph. So first thing we need to do, if you haven't been given a circle, is you're going to have to use your compass and draw a nice circle. I'm going to spin my paper today, like that. And make sure I know where the center is. There we go. So I'm going to start out by drawing a straight line right across my circle graph like that, and that's where I'm going to start my first section. And the first section was for apple pie, and we said last day it was 86 degrees. So I need to use my protractor now and line it up. Perfect. Make sure my 0 is right on the line and count up around to get to 86. Now I think my protractor is backwards, so flip it over if it is. Try again. And we're going to go right up to 80, and 86 would be right around here. So just draw a little tiny line like that, and then you're going to connect your center with the line. You can use a ruler if you want, or you can just use the edge of your protractor. And that's our first section, and that's apple pie. So we're going to label it apple pie, and you had to put the percent in there as well. So it's 24%. Try to keep it nice and straight, horizontally like that. Now we're going to turn our circle graph so that this line is what we're going to use to measure the next one. Okay? And it's 72 degrees. That's for lemon pie. So here's 70. 72 would be two little lines up. And that's how we do each piece, like that. So lemon, and lemon was 20%. Now we're going to do cherry pie, which is 108 degrees. This one's a little bit harder. So we're going to make sure we line up our 0 and count up by the inside to 108. So there's 100. So 108 is right here. 2 less than 110. Here we go. Okay, draw our line. That one is cherry. And you can twist your paper around all over the place. Just make sure that you keep everything together. And then we only got 2 pieces left. Oh, sorry, 1 piece left, coconut. And it's 94 degrees. So if I measure it, and of course it looks a little tiny bit bigger than a right angle, which looks right, it's 94. Excellent. So we're going to write down coconut and 26%. Now the very last thing we have to do when we draw a circle graph is to make sure we label it. So we're going to call this one favorite pie. Here we go, and that's our circle graph.